Hey guys, and welcome to Car Guy 1999 Reviews. Today thanks to Commonwealth Honda in Lawrence, Massachusetts. Well, special thanks, he told me to shout him out, so I will. Sean Berryman, he told me to shout him out. I told you, Sean, I would. Here we go. This is the 2024 Honda Pilot Touring with the HPD package on it. HPD plus black package, fender flares, lower drill trim, HPD emblem, HPD decals, and these upgraded wheels. So pretty darn cool pack. 2024 Pilot, completely redesigned, has a 3.5 liter VCM, variable cylinder management, 3.5 V6, 285 horsepower, 10-speed automatic. So pretty darn cool. Sticker price here, $53,525. Interesting, the HPD is considered a post-factory option, so it's probably port installed. Do have nice HPD badging. Open the trunk here. Obviously, Pilot third row seating is here. Oh, so that's nice. I like how you can have either captain's chairs or a third seat. That is pretty nice. Panoramic roof. Do have storage underneath here. Oh, okay. So it's telling you underneath here is where you find your jack and a funnel for the fuel. I like that. That's pretty cool. If you're gonna hide stuff underneath, give me little icons telling me what it is. I don't know what this is. Maybe this gives you time to walk away. I don't know. I'll leave it to it. I have not driven this car yet, so it's all very new to me. We're learning as we go. Some shade, tons of storage in the back seat. That is really, really nice. Slides forward like so. And then, like I said, this is your either middle seat, so you can fit 8, it looks like. So that's nice. Can fit 3 across in the middle, 3 across in the back, and if you want to just have storage or a little compartment, you can do so like so. There's your panoramic roof, rear seat controls. Does look really, really good. I love it. Let's hop on in. Tell heated seats, all in the nice features, amenities. Very responsive touchscreen, navigation, paddle shifters behind the wheel, Bose sound system, wireless charging. Got storage everywhere in this thing. They still kept the rear view mirror for rear passengers. That is nice. It's one of my favorite things about the Odyssey, the Pilots. That's been in there since at least '09. Just like the Accord video, I've driven a ton of the previous gens. This is actually first time driving this gen, but I've driven every single generation before this. Right off the bat, way more refined, way more luxury feeling. Sticker price of $53. It is up there in comparison to what it used to be, but it is still a absolute bargain. The Pilot has always been a bargain at its price point with the features and everything. That downright surprised me at how comfortable the suspension was dealing with all that. That really was pretty impressive. This is not even the Trail Sport, so this is not even the off-road focused version. That's pretty impressive. Blown away how much storage there is in these doors. The one thing that can ruin a car for me, especially a three-row SUV, is not having enough storage, and that is not a problem here. Got storage, 3 different levels of storage in the door. That is just storage everywhere in this thing. Just like the Accord, just like the Civic Type R, just when you think they can't improve it, they do. Also, walking this past, I did not think it was big enough for a car, but I guess it is. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please like, share, subscribe. Thanks again to Commonwealth Honda for having me, and I'll see you all in the next one.